If after seeing both options you decide to upgrade to a premium membership, you can do so by clicking on Pricing on the top part of the screen. Once inside, you will be able to see a brief summary of the advantages and disadvantages each account type offers, and the pricing for each of them. The premium account has a total cost of €750, now reduced to €495 for a limited amount of time, and if you decide to go on, you need to click on Upgrade first and then select the intended method of payment, either PayPal or credit card. You will need to click on the I have read and accepted privacy policy and purchase conditions part in the small box to the left and click on Next to continue with the payment.